Hello, the purpose of this video is to show you how to save a Google Earth KMZ file. I'm opening up Google Earth here, there it is, and I've got my 12 locations that I saved for this project, for this mapping project. Here's how to save those into a file that you can email to anyone you want. I'm going to click on My Places, go up to File up top, and click Save. File, click on My Places, go up to File, Save, and Save Place As. So clicking Save Place As will let you save this. You can name it whatever you want. You can name it after yourself, put your name on it, put the project name on it, name it after your dog. My dog's name is Google Earth Data, so I'm going to name it after him. And I'm saving it to my Downloads file, and it's saving as a KMZ file. Save. Yes, I do want to replace that. I've done this before. So I've replaced that data now, and now when I open up my Finder and I go to Downloads, there is Google Earth Data right there. I can do whatever I want with that thing, including send that off to a teacher who perhaps may be waiting for that information in order to complete this project. So good luck with that, and go be awesome.